This is M2M Ferries, one of the very few ferries in the country which is redefining water transport. They are now a preferred way to travel. M2M Ferries has reduced the usual travel time from 5 hours by road to just 1 hour by sea and offers all-weather, year-round connectivity. No wonder they have thousands of fans who travel with them with their vehicles and pets. So cute! Kapture empowers M2M Ferries team to help quickly.
Captures really streamline the process, as in when we're able to not only take bookings, but we're able to say modify a booking. We're able to actually from start to finish see the full booking flow has improved. We're able to the turnaround of time when customers contact us is improved greatly. So me being in the customer experience department, I have greatly appreciated the way Captures helped us out the most.
When customers feel this happy, it makes us feel a billion times happier.